December 1st is World AIDS Day. It's dedicated to raising awareness about AIDS and the spread of HIV. Emily Huang spoke to experts and advocates about what it means to educate the public and reduce the stigma.
Dr. Shariq Haider is committed to the World Health Organization's 2030 target of 95, 95, 95 for HIV elimination.
We want 95% of people that are living with HIV to know about their diagnosis, to be tested. And we want to take then that 95% group and make sure that 95% of them are given antiretroviral therapies that are life-saving. And we want to make sure that 95% of them are adherent to their treatment and achieve that suppressed virus.
The number of new HIV diagnoses in the country has increased over the past 2 years, and the data tells a more complicated story. Particularly concerning the number of cases that go undiagnosed.
Because of the stigma that still dogs the infection today, some people don't think they're at risk. They don't realize that they need to be tested regularly, and so they may not know they have the infection.
According to the Public Health Agency of Canada, 3 years ago, more than 65,000 Canadians were living with HIV. Of those, 11% were undiagnosed. A concerning statistic when put into context with the roughly 1,800 new transmissions that were recorded in 2022. Experts say testing, treatment, and continued monitoring are important pillars of HIV elimination, and working alongside them is raising public awareness.
It's education about diagnosis and testing, but I think also breaking the stigma.
When it comes to the younger generation, sexual health educators also play an important role.
With things like TikTok or Instagram, where we can have Instagram influencers who have a large following, but maybe don't have the credentials, who could be putting information about their related to sexuality or safer sex practices that are actually not in line with what, say, a public health nurse would suggest.
That type of misinformation is what organizations such as Positive Health Network aims to address.
A lot of it is handing out information. Brochures, pamphlets, condoms, those things are still very much needed. For example, with youth, we'll go to McMaster University a lot. We're there for a lot of different events. Community churches, we're like this one and others, and speak about what we're doing.
In the meantime, Dr. Haider is optimistic that the rapidly developing research will ultimately lead to the complete elimination of HIV in the not-so-distant future.
It's a multimodality approach. Then yes, I think, the hope for cure is there.
Emily Huang, CHCH News.